Now that we've shown you our home creation studio, we're excited to introduce you to the Online Design Center, also known as Envision. The Online Design Center is an extension to your Eastbrook experience and is a great resource for you when starting your selections. In using Envision, you and your designer can share ideas, concepts, and even see product images of what you want incorporated into your new home. First, you'll click on the Envision link you received from Eastbrook after you signed your non-contingent purchase agreement. You will log in to your personalized Envision homepage with your username and password provided to you by Eastbrook. Once logged in, you'll see your information located at the top of the page, your personalized homepage. On the left-hand side of the homepage, you'll see 6 icons. We'll start with the design checklist. This is where you'll find the different categories that are offered in your home. I'll demonstrate how these categories work by clicking on Appliances, then Kitchen. Here, you can see all of the available packages and price points that our appliances come in. Now we'll look at the dashboard icon. This is where you can see your home's progress, notes from your designer, items on your wish list, items you have confirmed, and more. The third icon we'll look at is Wishlist. When you first log in, you'll see the default wish list automatically pulled up. Here's how you make your wish list. Go to the design checklist item and choose on a category. We'll choose fireplaces. Then go and choose the option you'd like. You'll see a green button that says Add to Wish List. You'll click on this and then choose the wish list you want the option added to, as well as the quantity of that item. You can add it to your default wish list or create a new one. We're gonna make a new one and name it Test Wish List. You then save it to the list where you can view it if you go back to the wish list icon. Wish lists are a great tool for both you and your designer. When you create your personalized list, your designer will be able to see what your style and preferred price point is. Next, we'll look at the Confirmed Selection icon. This will be filled with selections once you've completed the selection process in the Home Creation Studio. The last icon we will look at is Included Features. This is going to be specific to your home and will include various information about your included features or options that you can choose for your home at no additional cost. For instance, in countertops, you can see laminate countertops that are included in your home. Finally, if you go to the right of your screen and click the drop-down arrow, you can see where you'll sign out and where you can change your password or personal information. Envision is a great resource to start planning the finishes for your new home and communicate with your designer. Most importantly, have fun.